This is an unboxing of a refurbished Apple Watch directly from Apple. So I didn't want to buy a brand new one because they're expensive, and the Apple Watch 7, which is what's in this box, is ideal for me. But I didn't want to buy it from Apple, or rephrase, from Amazon, because it might not have come with all the correct boxes. So I wanted to see what it was like, and I thought I'll do a first unboxing and see what it's like if you buy a refurbished one from Apple direct. So this is the watch, so let's see what's in here. Let's see if it's like buying a brand new one or not. There's the packaging, kind of indented there, which is lovely, and it says there refurbished, so you know it's the real thing. Let's get out of the way. I've seen many unboxing videos, and they all have all this, so this is all new to me, but this is what I wanted to see, if it came with this or if it was just in some non-retail type packaging. So let's see what happens, if it's the same experience. Now, I read that you just pull it. What do you do here? Does it unstick? Oh, I see. Like that. That opens, like I've seen in so many of these videos. There's the watch. That is indented. It's 3D, but it isn't shiny. And I think it's because all of these refurbished ones have the same box, I suspect. But you would expect it to come with the box for the watch itself. So let's have a look in here. This is again the same as what you tend to see on these unboxing videos. Again, this is all the same. That does say it's Apple Watch Series 7 Cup. Yeah, it's all the same. So it is like it's a brand new one, and this is my first ever Apple Watch. I've never owned one. So pull that open. Pull that open. It's that way around, I think. Let's see. Come on. I think they're meant to be tight, aren't they? Here we go. There's your usual leaflet that nobody reads. This is the charging cable, all beautifully sealed. I suspect if this was used through Amazon or eBay, this would all be very differently done, but this is all fresh and everything is in there as it would be if I bought brand new for a lot more than I paid for this. And it doesn't come out. Here we go. Here we go. Right. So there's that. You know what that looks like. I don't need to show you that. Here's the watch itself. I've got the 41. I've got slim or thin wrists. It didn't seem worth it. So there's the watch. Wow, that's shiny. You would not know that it's used. You would not have a clue. So let's get the strap. This is the strap that it came with. I didn't get a separate one. I rephrase, I got a separate one, but when you buy it refurbished, it comes with the given strap. But there's just so happened to be the strap colour that I actually rather like. So let's move that out of the way. I'm not doing this very well. You can tell it's the first one I've done. Let's open this up, and here we go. It's called Dark Cherry or something like that. I have slim wrists, so we'll go with this one. But I like it because it's purple. It's kind of a purple. Oh, it feels soft. There's that. And there's that. Again, I don't think this is refurbished. I think it's just the watch itself that is refurbished. It's got to be charged up, but that's fine. So, don't know which way around you're meant to do this, but let's just put that in there for now. I do have the strap for this colour as well, the gold Milanese, that's coming as well. and there it is. So how do you fit this? I don't know how you do this. Never done this before. I would assume it kind of snaps on like that. I don't know. But anyway, maybe it's the right size for my wrist, maybe not, I don't know. I've got to connect it up, but if this is just my first unboxing really of this kind of watch, and it was to see if buying it refurbished was like buying a brand new watch from Apple. And apart from the lid being more generic, because I think the gold ones have a gold rim and so on, this is not coloured rim, this is just like a dark grey, but it is embossed. And the strap, I think the box for that was generic as well. Yes, well that's quite nice, that is quite nice. But it is like buying a brand new one, I have to say. Apart from those colour things, even this is lovely. In fact, I think that's actually got some kind of gold accent to it. This is definitely like a papery card, so this can probably be recycled as well. That's it. This is my new Apple Watch in stainless steel, gold, refurbished, direct from Apple in the UK. Thanks for watching.